Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieved this look using only Fenty products, mostly only Fenty, just keep watching and you'll see me unbox, do the makeup, and I guess give a review about it after, so stay tuned. Fenty Beauty had a 25% off the whole website, so I was like, girl, let me get my coins ready. So I ordered a bunch of things from Fenty and I was like, hey, Black business, Black beauty, it's that time, so let me invest all my coins into Rihanna. So Rihanna, this is for you. This is the box that came in. I'm gonna do an unboxing and get ready with me. And note, 1, I'm not an expert at makeup. I will probably have some uneven eyebrows. Let's get to unboxing. Oh, okay, all right, I'm for it. So it's super cool. Bubble wrap out of the way. And all the things I forgot about, let's see. So I have, okay, let me show it to you. That's all the stuff I got. I went crazy. I spent about $300 or so, but again, 25% off. So in my head, I feel a lot better because I would have spent damn near $500. I don't know. Let's go through this. I got the Gloss Bomb, Hot Chocolit. Never got a lip gloss from her, but people always say it's amazing, so we'll see. I got Kilowatt, like a highlighter, Mean Money and Hustle Baby. That's that. So I also got, is this how small it is? Okay. Well, I got like pinks for eyeshadow. You know, it's like the palm of my hand, but we'll see. I also got a cream bronzer. I got cream, so like a brown chocolatey, so a bronzer. So that's not even the end of it yet. I also got mascara. I also got setting powder and coffee. I also have the Pro Filtr Hydrating Longwear Foundation in shade 445, so that's exciting. The Pro Filtr Concealer in 445, so I got them the same colors. And lastly, I got brushes. It's kind of interesting they're like individually wrapped like this. I don't know what I was expecting, but oh, that's cute. You can see like the brushes on the back. So I got like it's a set. It's the Puff Setting Powder, Full Body Foundation, Highlighter, and Concealer. If you continue, you'll see me put my makeup on, so stay tuned. So I first start out with the Rose Gold Elixir. I put that on my face before my foundation primer to just prep the face up, get a little nice radiant glow before putting everything on. I then follow in with the foundation primer from Laura Mercier, heavy question mark because I do not know how to pronounce it. I next go in with my setting spray, spritz, 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 and then finally go in with the worst part of the whole video, my eyebrow pencil. I, for the life of me, cannot do my eyebrows. I've gone to some classes, my friends have tried to teach me, my sister, but I cannot do them. They are heavily cousins, not sisters, because they were always uneven. One always is longer than the other, pointing in another direction, but we'll keep it pushing because they'll be covered by my hair later. I next go in with my concealer to try and shape them out and fix the damage that's been done, but as you can see, there's probably no saving those things. I go in after and start to blot out my dark spots. I do that before I put my foundation just to try and conceal as much as possible because, you know, Lord, I need them. And here I am with my beauty blender, blend, 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 blend. And now my foundation. I put it on my hand before I put it on my face with my brush because I have to, you know, blot it with my brush. And Lord, that brush felt amazing. It was so soft. It was so, I needed this brush. It was so amazing. Like, I know I said it twice, but it was so soft. But as you can see, everything's mostly blended out. I'm staring above my forehead, but don't do that. I'm next putting my concealer to get the rest of my dark spots, which is damn near impossible because I have so many. So I'm going in, trying to blend everything out. And now here is my setting powder. Getting that ready. Shook it a little bit too much, got the brush, got too much, and trying to take as much as possible and put it under my face to, wow, sorry y'all, under my eyes to bake that. Yeah, so in this lighting, it looks really, really dark, which is why I'm making all these faces, which I make face expressions all the time. But like, it was just very, very dark in the camera light. But like later on, it looked relatively like good. But that's, I mean, hopefully it gets better as time goes on. But here I am with the highlighter. Don't know why I'm making that face, but amazed. Here I am, I like that side. Here I go with the
cream, bronzer, and chocolate, I believe. And I think I didn't realize it was cream because I was very confused, like, oh shit, like that's a different texture than I was expecting. And no, I've never used bronzer before, which is why I'm making all those fake expressions like usual, but we're gonna keep it pushing. I forgot I had eyeshadow. I typically do it in the beginning, so that's why I was like, shit, I definitely forgot I'm gonna get it everywhere, but here I am attempting to put it on. I normally only use gold, bronzy, so it was very different for me to try pink. I go in with the mascara, and the tube was very nice. It was very big. I needed it, and I also spray with my setting spray. No, I don't really put eyelashes on because I do not know how to put them on for the life of me. I last put on the lip gloss. It's called Hot Chocolit. And yeah, that is the finished look. Well, almost finished. Here I am finished with the hair on, dressed up, all that.
So that was the full tutorial, or getting ready with me with products I've never used before. So best believe I was kind of confused with the bronzer, the highlighter. There was one brush and it was like highlighter, bronzer. I was like, do I use that with the highlighter and the bronzer? The bronzer was cream. I don't ever use bronzer, so I was like kind of confused on like the creamy texture with the brush. But again, I'm no expert on makeup. I said at the beginning, that was my disclaimer. Overall, it looks a lot different in this lighting versus the bathroom lighting, so not like a bad way, I think almost better, especially because when I put the setting powder, I forgot what the color is called, it looked really, really dark under my eyes, and looks a lot better right now. Obviously my highlighter is not as blended out on my left side, so let's not look at that side. We're gonna look at this one. The right side's on the other side. That was literally me unboxing it and attempting to do something that I'm not specialized in. I just do the usual foundation, concealer, eyeshadow. I even forgot to do the eyeshadow in the beginning. I like to be myself on here, so obviously I'm not gonna re-edit something to, like, I messed up. I put my eyeshadow at the end. I typically like to do my eyebrows, conceal that stuff out, like the shape, then do eyeshadow. And then, but you know, I did it the wrong order. But in the end, I don't say it's like the worst first attempt. I was really worried about putting like the eyeshadow. I have a lot of eyelids to work with, so I was trying to like make sure it was blended out and actually like got everything. As for the lip gloss, dope. I don't know like what's a bad one to a good one. I think this was like $19 with the code, but the brush was really soft. Yeah, I don't think this is like worst. Obviously, as time goes on, I start to use it more often. I can like learn like what works for me and what order, and like how much is too much powder or less of powder. Do I like use this brush for, like, you know, there's things I can learn. If you liked it, like, subscribe, let me know how I'm doing. This is just for fun, and don't be too mean, please. But I guess that's rough criticism. That's what makes me grow. So I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Bye, y'all.